Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for sharing your time with us. Today we are crafting doll camping supplies to go with our new camper van DIY. In this video we recycle plastic containers and lids to make a doll fry pan, cooking pot, kettle and working camp lantern. If you enjoy these crafts, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to support our channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! After using up your crafting supplies, save the empty containers, lids, caps and jars. They're great for doll projects. This circular container is perfect for a doll frying pan. We just need to trim it down. To cleanly cut off the rim and reduce the height, we highly recommend bottlenose scissors. Next, take a regular popsicle stick. Place it over your container, leaving a 4 cm overhang to trace the arch of the pan onto the stick. Sketch in the curves of the handle and a hole at the tip. With an X-Acto blade, carefully cut along the lines and cut out the hole. Sand the wood with an emery board to smooth out the edges and the center hole. We also sanded a small area of our container so our adhesive grips better to the plastic. Apply a drop of hot glue to join the handle to the pan. Once it has dried, give your fry pan a coat of paint. We went with a traditional black camping skillet. Now the dolls can whip up fried eggs or pancakes. We also made a second frying pan but switched up the colours to look similar to the one in American Girl's current kitchen set. From another container we made a quick cooking pot. Again, cut off the rim and reduce the height. Next, wrap and glue a rectangle of poster board 2 layers thick around the container, allowing the beveled edge to peek out of the bottom. Paint the inside and outside of your pot silver. For handles, take the lid and cut 2 segments off the rim. For contrast, we painted them blue. Apply hot glue to the underside, then position it on the lip of your pot, holding in place while the glue sets. Here we found miniature wooden spoons at our local dollar store. There are 5 in the packet and they make a perfect addition to our cooking pot. Next up, let's make a kettle. For this we used a small cosmetics jar, lid from a gumball prize and an oblong wooden bead. We also took the cone-shaped cap from our fabric glue bottle. Start by hot gluing the jar top and base together. Then affix the gumball cap to the center of the jar for the kettle lid. Following this, cut the cone-shaped cap on an angle and for extra detail pierce a hole through the tip. We have a metal piercing tool, but you could also use scissors for this step. Now glue the lid to the jar with the spout end facing up. For a two-tone look like the kettle from AG's camping treat set, we gave our jar an undercoat in orange. Then punched flower masks from low-tack sticky note paper and placed them around the base. After the paint has fully dried, give the kettle a top coat in bright green. When this layer of paint has dried, peel off the flower masks to reveal the design. Next, cut 2 5 cm lengths of wire. Bend them at both the top and bottom to make a C shape. Feed the longer wire tab into the bead, securing with hot glue. Pierce holes into the gumball cap to insert the other end of the wire, giving you a functioning handle that swings up and down. Complete the look by gluing a tiny button painted silver to the top of the lid. The kettle looks great placed on our DIY Joss's Beach Grill. Every camper needs a lantern. For this craft, we took a clear plastic shot cup, electric tea light, milk cap, buttons and more wire. Mask off the flame section of your candle to give the base a coat of paint. You can choose any colour, we went with blue. Using the piercing tool, poke holes into the side of the milk cap. Take your wire and bend it to make a partial rectangle. The width needs to be slightly longer than the diameter of your milk cap. Insert the tabs into the corresponding holes, securing on the underside with drops of hot glue. For dimension, stack and glue 2 buttons to the center of the milk cap. Next, cut a small hole in the base of the shot cup. Now affix the milk cap into the opening of the cup and the cup to your candle base. Add thin strips of black cardstock around the candle base, then adhere a button to the front in a contrasting colour for the fake on-off switch. Fantastic! Your doll lantern is ready to light up the night. For a bonus craft idea, we took these green sporks from an Our Generation party set and painted them blue to match our new camping essentials. We hope you've enjoyed these 4 easy DIY doll camping supplies. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to come back soon for more miniature crafting fun!